Executive Summary, AI-driven PMP Transformation. Architect, Pradeep K. Suri. From DNN to Strategic Intelligence. In today's competitive landscape, project management requires more than just tracking timelines and budgets. It demands foresight, agility, and intelligent automation. Traditional deep neural networks, DNNs, provided a foundational capability in pattern recognition, but their potential is magnified when embedded into an AI-powered project management platform, PMP. This transformation turns passive project data into real-time, actionable intelligence that empowers decision-makers across all management layers. By integrating AI algorithms with core PMP modules, the platform can predict risk trends, forecast ROI, monitor skill gaps, and optimize resource allocation dynamically. An AI-powered PMP elevates enterprise project governance by introducing predictive analytics, natural language understanding, NLP, and intelligent automation into day-to-day operations. Project data is continuously analyzed using deep learning techniques, enabling early warnings, auto-generated recommendations, and visual insights through interactive dashboards. For top management, it becomes a command center, for project leads, a tactical tool, and for operational teams, a real-time guide. This strategic integration positions AI not just as a support function, but as the cognitive engine driving smarter, faster, and more successful project execution. The power of a deep neural network, DNN, lies in its ability to learn complex patterns from large and high-dimensional data sets. Let's break this down simply and then go a little deeper into how it works. Lightbulb. What is a DNN, deep neural network? A DNN is a type of artificial neural network that has multiple hidden layers between the input and output layers. These layers allow the model to learn and represent increasingly abstract features of the data. Rocket power of DNN, why it's so effective. Feature. Why it matters. White heavy checkmark. Hierarchical learning learns simple to complex features in layers, edges. Rightward arrow shapes. Rightward arrow objects. White heavy checkmark. Nonlinear representation can model nonlinear relationships in data, which traditional algorithms struggle with. White heavy checkmark. Generalization. When trained well, DNNs generalize well to unseen data. White heavy checkmark. Versatility used in vision, NLP, speech, recommendation systems, medical diagnosis, and more. White heavy checkmark. Self-learned features. No need to manually create features, the network learns the best ones from raw data. Wrench. How a DNN works, step by step. Let's simplify the working of a DNN using a basic example like recognizing handwritten digits, NIST. 1. Input layer. Takes the input features, example pixels of an image. Example, a 28x28 image equals 784 input nodes. 2. Hidden layers. Each hidden layer multiplies inputs with weights. Adds a bias. Applies a nonlinear activation function, example ReLU, sigmoid. This allows the network to capture complex patterns. 3. Output layer. Final prediction. Example, for digit classification, 0 to 9, the output layer has 10 nodes with softmax activation to give probabilities. 4. Training, learning process. Compare prediction with actual value. Rightward arrow loss. Use backpropagation to calculate gradients. Use optimization algorithm, example ATOM, SGD, to adjust weights and minimize loss. Brain. Why deep is powerful. More hidden layers. Rightward arrow. More depth. Rightward arrow. More power to learn hierarchical data representations. Handle big data and high-dimensional problems. Solve tasks that shallow networks, like logistic regression or basic N, can't. Chart. Increasing real-world examples. Face recognition, learns facial features at different levels. Speech to text, understands audio patterns. Medical imaging, detects tumors or diseases. Recommendation systems, understands user behavior deeply. Summary. IT Industry Project Portfolio Dashboard. 1. AI-powered PMP, revolutionizing project tracking and performance measurement with neural intelligence. 2. Real-time analytics, get actionable insights on ROI, risk, budget usage, and delays with intuitive visuals. 3. Skill gap identification, understand workforce readiness to align with project needs and training. 4 Action recommendations. AI-suggested tasks enhance efficiency and reduce defect probability. 5 Dark-themed interactive dashboards, improve management visibility and decision-making clarity. Based on the DNN, Deep Neural Network, structure provided in the image titled DNN Network for PMP in Software Industry, the model is designed to process key project metrics and generate predictive or analytical outputs. Here's a structured breakdown of reports and graphs that this DNN network can provide for different organizational levels in a PMP, project management professional, context. Top arrow: top management reports and graphs, strategic level. Focus: decision making, investment, and risk insights. Bar chart reports. ROI forecast, project-wise return on investment prediction. Risk trend analysis, high-level visualization of risk escalation or mitigation over time. Budget variance summary, deviation between allocated vs actual budget usage. Chart increasing graphs. ROI forecast bar/line graph, project ID vs ROI %. Heat map of risk trends across all projects. Budget vs actual cost line chart. Office building middle management reports and graphs, tactical level. Focus: team resource planning, phase-wise monitoring, and skill alignment. Bar chart reports. Resource utilization report, % usage of available human resources. Skill gaps identification, mapping required vs available skills. Phase delay risk report, detection of potential delays phase-wise. Chart increasing graphs. Radar chart, skills vs required level. Stacked bar chart, resource usage across teams. Gantt-like chart, planned vs delayed phases. Technologist operational level reports and graphs, execution level. Focus: daily tasks, quality alerts, and engineering insights. Bar chart reports. Task suggestion engine, next set of logical tasks to assign. Code coverage alert system, highlights areas with poor test/code coverage. Defect probability estimator, likelihood of bugs based on current status. Chart increasing graphs. Task completion progress bar. Line graph, code coverage over sprint/releases. Histogram, defect probability distribution. Brain neural network input/output use case summary. Input numbers inputs. Project ID, team size, budget, duration. Risk level, tasks completed, delay days. Client priority, tech stack score. Direct hit outputs, use case predictions. ROI forecast, risk trend, budget variance. Resource utilization, skill gaps, phase delay risk. Task suggestion, code coverage alert, defect probability. From a management point of view, the HTML dashboard provides critical insights for decision-making, progress tracking, and resource allocation in a visual, intuitive format. Here's how each part of this dashboard supports strategic project oversight. White heavy checkmark 1. Executive summary at a glance. The dashboard visually conveys key project health indicators, enabling managers to assess multiple projects side by side, identify risks, gaps, and budget deviations, take proactive decisions without digging through raw data. Bar chart 2. Dashboard components and value to management. Section metric management insight. Chart 1 ROI, %. Measures return on investment. Helps prioritize high return projects. Chart 2 risk trend reveals project volatility or issues. High risk needs mitigation plans. Chart 3 budget variance shows over/underspending. Critical for budget control and reallocation. Chart 4 resource utilization, %. Checks whether manpower is used effectively. Over/underutilization affects costs and outcomes. Chart 5 skill gaps indicates HR/training needs. Projects with high gaps may face delivery issues. Chart 6 phase delay risk, %. Projects with high delay risk require replanning or resource intervention. Clipboard 3. Task suggestions table. This table acts as a management alert system. Flags specific action items like fix security or write unit tests. Shows code coverage and defect probability, indicating software quality. Helps team leads or project managers assign technical resources or reviews. Globe with meridians for web-based advantage. Since it's built in HTML plus Plotly.js, the dashboard can be easily embedded in intranet portals, project tracking tools, or weekly review reports. Requires no local Python setup, runs in any browser. Can be enhanced with interactivity, filtering by department, drill down by month, etc. Chart increasing 5. Strategic use cases for managers. Portfolio review meetings, present 5 plus project KPIs side by side. Project health monitoring, regularly check risk, ROI, and budget utilization. Resource planning, act on low utilization or skill gaps. Quality assurance oversight, use code coverage and defect metrics to enforce standards. Brain suggestions for improvement, optional enhancements. To further empower decision makers. Add filters by department or project phase. Enable real-time updates using JSON APIs or backend integration. Export charts/tables to PDF for board-level reporting. Add forecast trends, example projected ROI, projected delay, using AI/ML. Receipt conclusion. From a management standpoint, this dashboard converts complex project data into clear, actionable visual insights. It enables fast status checks, white heavy check mark. Early risk detection, police car light. Better resource/budget decisions, money bag. Informed leadership discussions, office worker. The video provides a dashboard displaying key project management metrics, generated using an AI-powered tool. Let's break down each component in detail. Overall layout and theme. Dark theme. The dashboard utilizes a dark theme, which is often preferred for data visualization as it reduces eye strain and makes charts stand out. Grid layout. The dashboard is organized in a grid layout, presenting 6 distinct charts in a 2x3 arrangement. This provides a structured and easy-to-navigate view of the data. Title. The title AI-powered PMP, Project Management Professional, Reports, Test Data, Architect, Radhika Kesuri suggests this is a test report generated by an AI system for Radhika Kesuri, a project architect. Individual charts. 1 RCI forecast, top left. Type, bar chart. X-axis, project ID, P101, P102, P103, P104, P105. Y-axis, value, representing some metric related to RCI, perhaps risk, cost, or impact. Color, light blue, indicating a neutral or standard state. Interpretation, this chart forecasts the RCI for each project. P103 has the highest forecasted RCI, while P105 has the lowest. 2 risk trend, top right. Type, line chart. X-axis, project ID, P101, P102, P103, P104, P105. Y-axis, value, representing a risk score or level. Color, orange, indicating a potential warning or caution. Interpretation, this chart shows the trend of risk across projects. P102 shows a spike in risk, while P103 has the lowest risk. The risk increases towards P105. 3 budget variance, middle left. Type, bar chart. X-axis, project ID, P101, P102, P103, P104, P105. Y-axis, value, representing the difference between the actual budget and the planned budget. Color, red for negative variance, over budget, and green for positive variance, under budget. Interpretation, P102 and P104 are significantly over budget, while P101 and P103 are under budget. P105 has a slight over budget. For resource utilization, middle right. Type, bar chart. X-axis, project ID, P101, P102, P103, P104, P105. Y-axis, value, representing the percentage of resource utilization. Color, light green, indicating a positive or efficient state. Interpretation, all projects have relatively high resource utilization, suggesting efficient resource allocation. 5 skill gaps, bottom left. Type, bar chart. X-axis, project ID, P101, P102, P103, P104, P105. Y-axis, value, representing the number or severity of skill gaps. Color, pink, suggesting a potential area of concern or attention. Interpretation, P102, P103, and P105 have significant skill gaps, while P101 and P104 have relatively lower gaps. 6 phase delay risk, bottom right. Type, line chart. X-axis, project ID, P101, P102, P103, P104, P105. Y-axis, value, representing the risk of delays in project phases. Color, brown, indicating a potential warning or caution. Interpretation, P102 and P105 have a high risk of phase delays, while P103 has a low risk. Key observations and insights. P102 is a project of concern. Multiple charts indicate issues with P102, including budget overruns, high risk, significant skill gaps, and phase delay risk. P103 is relatively stable. P103 shows the lowest risk, is under budget, and has relatively low skill gaps and phase delay risk. Resource utilization is high across projects. All projects demonstrate good resource utilization. AI-powered analysis. The title explicitly mentions AI-powered, suggesting that the insights and visualizations are generated using artificial intelligence, potentially for predictive analysis, risk assessment, and resource optimization. Potential improvements and considerations. Clearer labels. While the charts provide insights, clearer labels and descriptions for the y-axis values would enhance understanding. Contextual information. Adding context about the project types, timelines, and stakeholders would provide a more comprehensive view. Interactive elements. Incorporating interactive elements like tooltips, filters, and drill-down capabilities would allow users to explore the data in more detail. Actionable insights. The dashboard could be improved by including actionable insights and recommendations based on the data. In summary, this dashboard provides a snapshot of key project management metrics, highlighting potential risks, budget variances, and resource utilization. The AI-powered nature of the tool suggests a data-driven approach to project management, enabling proactive decision-making and risk mitigation. However, clearer labels and contextual information would enhance its usability and effectiveness. Thank you.